Summary of the Life Changer, Chapter 3. Ummi tells the story of the quiet one, a boy named Talle. Talle was given birth to after many years of childlessness, and his birth caused the death of his mother. He grew up with a silent character and became quieter with the death of his father and mother. Thus, the quiet one was a perfect description. Talle was considered a good person by the villagers and unable to cause harm. However, Talle needed money at a point and told Jackie, who suggested the idea of abducting a boy and requesting a ransom. The plan was executed by the two of them, and Talle kept the boy in his house. Talle shops at the market for his groceries, but the number of food items he usually purchases suddenly doubled. Soon the grocer notices this change in his grocery purchases and informs the district head about the issue. While Talle was being questioned by the district head, who was called Hakimi, policemen surrounded the place and arrested Talle as a suspect of kidnapping and extortion. Talle and Zaki are eventually sentenced to some years of imprisonment.